How to fix Amazon sign up internal error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Amazon sign up internal error issue. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open up any browser and then type in amazon.com to land on this kind of interface of Amazon. So in order to sign in, you can click on the Hello Sign In at top right corner and click Sign In button. But in case if you have entered your email or mobile number and then try to sign in by clicking on the Continue button, but a pop-up message box appears that says there is an error on the internal part in order to sign up in the Amazon, then here are the few steps that I can help you in order to fix this kind of issue. So the first one is maybe due to several server issues, this internal error might be occurring. So maybe server is going down and maintenance is going on. Then for that particular time, you have to wait for sometimes and check the performance list over here. Simply you can go to the taskbar at bottom of the screen and search for Task Manager. On the section, click the three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and select Performance. Under Performance, go to Wi-Fi and know that whether your Wi-Fi is working well or not. If your Wi-Fi is slow and it's not stable, then different kinds of internal error might be occurred and you won't be able to sign up on Amazon.com. So you have to first of all switch to another network if your current Wi-Fi is not working well and having problem. So this is the second step you can follow in order to fix this kind of internal error issues on Amazon. If you are on your application on your mobile or tablet or different kinds of tabs like application, then make sure your Amazon application is up to date. If your app is not up to date, then there might be internal error causing the sign up issue on Amazon. So with that you can easily follow this all the steps, and by following this all the steps and restarting your device, you can easily fix Amazon sign up internal error and use Amazon happily. So I hope this information was useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.